In this video, we're going to show you how to save PowerPoint recordings directly to Stream. Now, when we say PowerPoint recordings, we're talking about under the Recording tab. There are two different ways to record inside of PowerPoint. First one assumes that you have an entire slideshow, so you're going to record your slideshow. So this means narrate your slideshow, draw on your slides, and all of that will be recorded. Perfect use case for that is instead of standing in front of your class live and being able to annotate on your slideshow and narrate it, you would record, and it will save what you say as well as what you write on the slides, and you can save it and share it out to your students for remote learning. So one way to do that is to save it to Stream and then share that link with them. The other thing that you can do with PowerPoint is a screen recorder. So this is designed not really to record PowerPoint, but to record whatever else is on your computer. As you'll see, I actually have a PowerPoint behind this PowerPoint. What happens when you click Screen Recorder is this PowerPoint gets minimized to the bottom of your screen, and then whatever else is on the screen behind it, again, is what you're going to record. So as you can see, I have another PowerPoint behind this one, so that's what it's going to record. And I have sort of a preset area. But if you click Select Area, you can choose what part of your screen, and you can go from corner to corner and do the whole screen. When you click Record, you get a little countdown. The little box at the top is designed to go away, except that I have it pinned, so it's not going to go away. And anything that happens in that area that you marked off will become part of the recording. Click Stop, and my original PowerPoint pops back up on screen and places that video on that slide. So right now, my video is embedded on a slide. I only have one slide. If my goal is to make a video and add it to a PowerPoint, then I'm done. I just need to go on and add those other videos. But if my goal is to use PowerPoint for the recording feature, I can now click to publish to Stream. Just go ahead and give it a name. This is what I'm going to do with it. And you can choose to let everybody else in your organization see it now. That's a permission that you can change once you get it into Stream. Then, because this one is only one slide, it says you can also upload the whole PowerPoint file, which is, again, one slide. If I had more than one slide, it wouldn't actually give me that option. It sounds a little bit backwards. If your goal is just to use PowerPoint just to make the recording, then make sure that you're doing just one slide, because if you have multiple slides in your presentation, then it will force you to upload the entire thing. It won't give you this choice whether or not to upload your original PowerPoint. And I'll show you another one in a moment that exemplifies that. Once you click to send it to Stream, it shows you your progress towards creating the video, and then it'll show your progress towards uploading to Stream. And then if you go to Stream, you can see the progress towards it uploading as well. So here's a PowerPoint that has a video embedded on one slide. And you can see I don't have that choice whether or not to upload the entire PowerPoint. It will upload the entire PowerPoint. And each slide will play for 5 seconds. When it gets to the slide that has that video, it will actually autoplay that video. So if you want to save an entire slideshow with that video embedded, then you can do that. But again, if your goal is to just record a video and you don't really need PowerPoint for anything other than that, then make sure you open a new slideshow and just do your recording on a single slide. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe down below, where you'll also see a link to my book, All the Microsoft Tools You Need to Transform Your Classroom, as well as my blog, theotherit.com.